Hello and good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching this. This video is about how to use a website called TTS Reader, which stands for Text to Speech Reader, so that you can hear your story out loud and listen for repeated words, awkward sentences, even just mistakes. Sometimes I find that I use the same word over and over and I can really hear it when I hear it read to me. And since we're all in distance learning, this is the best way to hear our stories read. But more than that, no one it's hard sometimes to have a partner read your story to you because it's like cringy and you're worried about being judged. But when you're using your computer to do a text to speech reader, who cares? It's totally fine. So here is my story. Okay. And I have opened the website called ttsreader.com. ttsreader.com. Okay. So if you scroll down here, there is a box. It says, write something in this box and click play. Our text to speech will read it out loud for you. You can also drag files here and edit the text. Oh, interesting. Okay. Usually what I do, is I'm going to paste it in here. Ooh, what's this? Upload current text and position to cloud. Oh, I haven't used these features. Sorry. What's this? Upload text. All right. So here's what I do. I'm going to highlight this. I'm just going to do this first page. Okay. TTS Reader. Cool. Are you ready? Put my mouse here. And then now I can choose the voice. English UK Daniel. I think I like English US. Let's try Fiona. I mean, you could listen to it in a British accent. Why not? I'm going to try Fiona. Normal speed. If it's too fast for you, you can change that. And then push go.
Mama, can we go to the gypsy camp and listen to them sing? Can we? Please. Lillian begged. She stood on.
Okay, I don't like that voice. That's not a US voice. What's G? Let's go back here. Sorry, this is silly.
Mama, can we go to the gypsy camp and listen to them sing? Can we? Please. Lillian begged. She stood on her tippy toes, bouncing up and down, her hands clasped under her chin. Her little brother, Arthur, mimicked her. I was sitting at the table in the kitchen, peeling apples from the orchard for a pie. I couldn't understand much of the English.
Okay, so I'm going to pause it. I don't want to edit it right here because that wouldn't change my original document. But, I spelled couldn't wrong. I couldn't. So, hey, a little thing it caught for me that my teacher wouldn't catch.
I couldn't understand much of the English my grandchildren spoke, but I knew the word gypsy, and I knew exactly what they wanted. Just as I had when I was a child, and my daughter Sadie had when she was young.
Okay, yeah, there's something weird about that sentence. So I'm going to go back here. But I knew the word gypsy, and I knew how they wanted. They wanted to do what I had? No, they wanted to. They wanted to run. Okay. So I might even, you might even take this paragraph by paragraph, go back in here. Let's delete all this. That first paragraph, though, sounded good to me. I'm just going to paste that one in. Let's listen to it.
I was sitting at the table in the kitchen, peeling apples from the orchard for a pie. I couldn't understand much of the English my grandchildren spoke, but I knew the word gypsy, and I knew exactly what they wanted. They wanted to run to the gypsy village down the road to listen to the music and watch the dancing, just as I had when I was a child, and my daughter Sadie had when she was young. We all begged to run through the orchard to the camp where the gypsies live.
Yeah, I still don't love that. I'm going to go back. Something weird sounds weird about that. Let's see. I had asked. Oh, here's what I do. Long story short, I keep tweaking the paragraph, copying and pasting into the text to speech reader, and listening for, does that sound smooth? Does that sound like I wanted it to sound? If it doesn't sound like you wanted it to sound, it's not the computer's fault. Sometimes writers are sort of defensive and they're like, well, it just wasn't reading it right. No, I think you could try a different voice to see if it comes out different, but maybe there was a difference between what you heard in your mind and what you were making the page sound like. And you just need to go and make the page sound like what you wanted to say. And that's okay. It's this process of back and forth. Okay. So I'd recommend going paragraph by paragraph using ttsreader.com and pasting your story in and listening for any awkwardness or weird sentences or unfinished things or repeated words. Okay. Happy editing.